I'm Johanna Rothman, and this is 60 Seconds of Johanna's WIP for December 7th, 2023, where I read an excerpt of just a minute of some writing in progress. This excerpt is from a feel-good holiday short story. The late November wind whipped up the Charles River, past the MIT Dome, and down Mass Ave, focusing in on the Necco factory. Not for the first time, Barb Diamond wished she had riches that matched her last name. Not to mention an apartment and a real boyfriend, not the guy who dumped her 2 weeks ago. At 7 in the morning, the streetcars' brakes squealed in concert with the cars screeching as each driver played chicken with the others. Barb had mastered the scoot between, the way every pedestrian scooted between the private cars and the streetcars to get to the relative safety of the sidewalk. Her bell-bottom faded blue jeans did nothing to keep the early November wind out, and her too short, hand-me-down navy blue ski jacket seemed to have lost all its capacity for warmth. Thank goodness she still had a job, although she had no idea how she was going to pay for her next semester's tuition.